All right, everyone. It's the not obligatory, it's the mandatory coffee stop. Every morning there's a need for coffee. So we're at Trifecta in Albuquerque. I love Trifecta. Every time we are in Albuquerque, we stop at Trifecta. Got the wife and the cats, and the coffee's over there somewhere. And I always get a coffee cake. So we got a 4-shot iced Americano. So that'll get us hopefully to Tulsa. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Good kitty cat. Nola, come here. Nola, you are ridiculous. She's literally rolling in the dirt. Oh my gosh. Leaving New Mexico. So another state down. Bam. And Texas. Central time zone. For us Arizona time people, we're now what, 2 hours?
2 hours.
Yeah, so this is weird. But yeah, you guys can see the landscape. It's just super flat and just kind of arid. Texas. Several times. I can't do that kind of 72 ounces of steak. That's bonkers. Boom. Alright, so we're at what, 880, so just missed it. Got into Oklahoma. Yep. Right there, that's mile 1. This time we did get a quick photo, so I think we're only a couple hundred miles away from Tulsa. Look how just, it is humid. That we found out as we walked outside, but yeah, it's so much greener compared to Tucson. Greener in a different way, but I sure do miss the mountains. Look at, I've had that bullet hole thing in this car for a long time, and then we've got one there. We got a huge crack over there. There's another one there. This windshield's demolished. That we literally got, what, 2 miles after we had the windshield replaced. So now I just drive it the way it is. Look at Nola. Nola. Alright, we're in Oklahoma. Every time Jen pops out, boom, cat pops right out on the right out on the seat. Alright, so quick stop at Panera. We're almost to Tulsa. I think we have about another hour and a half or so to go. I know this hasn't been like super cool, like BMW car content. I know it's the Honda CRV. But it's been a lot of fun. It's been a lot of fun actually with the cat. The cat's right there. We're at a Panera, like I said, so we just kind of take the cat with us and do stuff. But tomorrow, I don't know what we got going on, but I'm hopeful that we can start incorporating some car content, stuff like that here shortly. But I thought it was just kind of fun to vlog for these 2 days about what's going on, stuff like that.